a very windy morning out here. I hope you guys can hear me. I have the chicken feed. We have the chickens in the small area over here, but just so that you know where their home's at. He just flew out. And then we're gonna let them free range. Go check their water. Later, I'm gonna come out here and get some eggs. We get it since we moved them. Whenever you move chickens, it needs some water. It needs to be clean. Whenever you move chickens, they get stressed and they don't lay as many eggs. Usually, we get about 15 eggs, but yesterday we got 20. And if you ever move chickens to a different area or move other chickens in, or if you just have just loud animals around them, they just get stressed and they don't lay as many eggs. So we've been having some tomatoes that ripen, but we have this hornworms that get them. I don't know how to keep them out. Let me try to find one here. Watermelon's big. See this one right here. And then I come out here every day and I would look for hornworms, and at night we'll come out here and we'll look for hornworms. Here's one. Looks like a good one, but there's a worm in it. And then the hornworms just make holes in them. They don't just eat one tomato, they eat several tomatoes. They'll eat one and they'll go to the next one and eat it. I'm going to take this tomato and I'm going to throw it all the way over there to the chickens.
This is our downhill buggy. We're going to show you how it works. Okay, she's just going to do it herself. Okay. The last video I put a bunch of these wood chips down here. And it helps. I'm going to have to get some more because they got kicked out onto the grass, and then see right here, it's starting to wash up away. I'm down to check the eggs, and when we move these chickens, we move them from the front field all the way back here to the north field, which is a long ways to move chickens. only 3 eggs. Like I said this morning, they get stressed from being moved, or we add more chickens, which we did both of those, so they're probably not going to lay as many. Just going to look around here to see if they laid anywhere else. We have over 70 chickens. I let the chickens out earlier so they could run around, and we got some free labor. They came over here to this compost, to our compost pile. They dug around in it. And then they found the produce that we threw in here earlier, buried in here. I thought I was going to have to herd them over here, but they just followed me over on the 4-wheeler. They keep getting up here. This is some shavings put in their bedding so when they lay eggs, the eggs don't get all gross.